In today's video, I'll show you how to integrate Google Forms with Freshsales using Zapier. This setup automatically sends form responses into Freshsales so your leads and customer data stay perfectly organized. Start by opening your browser and heading to Zapier. Log into your account or create one if you don't already have access. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, click Create Zap to begin building a new automation. First, choose Google Forms as your trigger app. Select a trigger event like New Form Response, which means the automation will run every time someone submits your form. Connect your Google account and select the specific form you want to use. Next, move on to the action step. Choose Freshsales as the action app. Select an action such as create or update, contact or add note to contact depending on how you want the form data stored in Freshsales. Then connect your Freshsales account. Now you'll map the data. Match fields from Google Forms like name, email and phone number to the corresponding fields in Freshsales. This ensures all information is transferred accurately. Once everything is mapped, run a test to make sure the automation works correctly. If the test is successful, publish the Zap. That's it. You've successfully integrated Google Forms with Freshsales, allowing leads to flow in automatically without any manual work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick automation guides.